Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix a Facebook pixel that is not firing by replacing the template. So I'm going to replace this template now, and I use Thrive Architect to build this template. So I will replace it now. I will go to this page that the pixel was not firing before. And what I want to do is I want to retain all this design because I don't have the time to be creating another design now. So I'm going to the first thing I will do is to save this one first. I'm going to save this as a template. This block, the whole of this block from here, I'm going to save it. I'll save as a template. Let me give it a name. This is a refrigerator top. Make sure you give it a name that you can remember and save it as a template. Okay, then the next thing is this block, the whole of this block. Click on it and save it. I will save it as refrigerator video and save. Okay, now I have saved that. Then the next one is this block here. So I'm going to save this as the features refrigerator features. Then I'll save it. Then what is here? This is like an empty column. Let me just save it. I have an empty column. Then I'm going to save the whole of this column. Okay, I think I have this column before, so I don't need to save this one again. I've saved it before. Then the next thing is this column, which is the price. So I'm going to save this column, which is the price. Let me save it. Refrigerator price. I'll save it. Then what else? These are the most important one. This price goes, okay, this one I have it before, so I don't need to save it again. So I think we are almost done. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to go, let me close this page first. Then this is the page. This is the page that the page I'm working on. The page I'm currently working on is this refrigerator page. So I'm going to upload all those things on this page first. So I'm going to go to this page and see and test it whether the pixel is firing on that page. let me be sure that the pixel is firing on that page. The pixel is not even firing on this page. So since the pixel is not firing on this page, I have to create a new page. Let me simply delete this and create a new page. Let me give it as backup page and publish it. Then I'm going to no sidebar, full stress, no title, no featured image, update. Okay, it is updated. Let me view the page whether the pixel is firing to be sure of what I'm doing. Okay, so the pixel is firing on this page. You can see it here. It has indicated. If you click on it now, you see page view, meaning that the pixel is actually working on this page. So let's edit it now. Okay, so I am going to import those templates I've saved before, one after the other, from the top down to the bottom. First, I'm going to click on this and drag this template and symbol. Then I am going to go to the top. What was the first? The first one was refrigerator top. So I'm going to look for it. Where is it? Okay, this is it here. So I'm simply going to click on it. Now it has come. Then the next one is the video. So I'm going to drag this template and symbol to here. Then I'm going to look for the video column and place it there. It makes the design faster. You don't have to be creating a new design. So this is it here, and you can see the pixel is still firing. Okay, so the video column has come. What is the next one? The next one is the features. So I am going to grab the template and symbol and place it here. Then I'm going to look for the features. Where are the features? You look at the top. Okay, this is the features. Then the feature has come. Then the next one I'm going to do is you can remember we have an empty column there. So I'm going to place that empty column. Then you simply drag this on and place it here. Let's look for that empty column that we saved before. Empty column, where are you? Okay, this is it here. All right, then the next one is we have the about the author. So I'm going to place it here. About the author, about this, you can also call it about the seller. Okay, this is it here. I've saved it before, so I'm simply going to place it there. And our design is, we're almost done with the design. You can see how fast it is to build your web pages with Thrive Architect. So the next thing is, what is the next thing? The next thing is the price. So this is the price. I'm going to place the price there. Okay, so the price is already there, and every other thing that came with the price. What is the next one? The next one is the guarantee. So I'm going to grab the same template and place the guarantee. Let me look for the guarantee, and I'm going to look for the guarantee page. Guarantee page, where are you? Okay, here it is here. Okay, now we are done with our page already. Let me save it. If I save it now, if we view the page, will the pixel be seen? Let's test it. Let's test it for some time. Let's wait for some time and see whether it is going to show that there is pixel on this page. It's supposed to show. Why is it taking time? Okay, now it has detected the pixel. You can see there is page view, so it means we are good to go. Now that we are sure that the pixel is firing on this page, so I am going to totally replace this template that is not firing before with that template. Oh, I supposed to have saved it with as a template first. Let me save it as a template. The backup. Okay, this is the backup. Let me save it as a template. Okay, in saving it as a template, I'm going to go to this gear icon, and I'm going to save it as refrigerator new page. Make sure you save it with a new name that you can always remember. New page and save. Okay, now that I've saved, I am going to go to my dashboard. Let me close it. I'm going to go to my dashboard. This is the page we were using before, and it is the page that is no longer, the pixel is not firing, so I want to replace this page totally. In replacing it, I need to change the URL. I need to change the permalink. To change the permalink, I will add something to this one. Let me add 2 to this and update it, so that I'll be able to have the second page that will bear the same name and the URL that is already running on the Facebook. So let me update it. Then I am going to create a new page now, a new page, and I'm going to name it as refrigerator, the same name. Since we have already changed the permalink, we don't have any issue anymore. We are going to publish it. Publish. Then I'll close this. No sidebar. Full width contain, and no featured image, no title, and update it. Make sure it's updated, and make sure you check the slug. That's the permalink. Okay, because this is the permalink we have on the Facebook. Make sure it's the same spelling. Let's be sure of that. Okay, you can see this is the spelling here, and we are sure is it. All right, so let's test this one. Let's test this and see where it is going to take us to. Okay, it has taken us to our new page that we have just created. Now I'm going to edit this page now with Thrive Architect. Okay, now it is time for us to import the template we have saved before. So I'm going to import all those templates. You simply grab this template icon, and I'm going to look for that template. You remember the name we save it with. That is the complete template. Let's go down. I save it as refrigerator new page. So I'm going to grab the whole of that template. You can see it has come. Thrive Architect is very easy to use in building your pages as fast as possible. So I'm going to save this work now. And if I save it, let me preview it. Okay, now you can see everything is working fine. Let's look at the mobile version of it. The mobile version, is it working well? Okay, it has some issues. The layout, okay, it has no issue. It's okay. We are good to go. Okay, everything is working fine. Everything is okay. It's working perfectly. All right, we are good to go. Now our new page is gotten with the pixel firing. Okay, so the pixel is now firing correctly. Then the next one we need to see is, okay, so we can see our pixel is firing correctly. That means we are good to go. We can now create our event pixel on this page. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to install your event pixel on your page. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in that video. Bye.